Mix coffee with toothpaste. You'll see it's worth doing regularly. Start by preparing a cup. Add 1 tablespoon of instant coffee and pour in hot water, ideally at around 210 degrees Fahrenheit. Add a teaspoon of sugar, then a small amount of toothpaste. Stir well until everything combines into a thick, dark liquid with a strong scent. Strain it through cheesecloth and a fine sieve to remove any residue. Then add about 7 ounces of clean water, mix again, and pour the liquid into a spray bottle. This mixture is perfect for cleaning. Spray it on your sink, wait a moment, and wipe with a microfiber cloth. Limescale, grime, and streaks disappear instantly. You can also use it on faucets or in the shower. It removes water spots, soap scum, and other dirt with ease. Coffee works as a gentle abrasive, while toothpaste helps polish surfaces. It's a simple cleaning trick using ingredients that often end up in the trash. This is how I make a real stone remover. Here's a recipe for a solution that effectively eliminates buildup in your home. Just combine 3 inexpensive ingredients to thoroughly clean surfaces covered with limescale and residue. Start by adding 2 tablespoons of table salt to a bowl. Salt has cleaning and whitening properties, making it easy to remove dirt and dissolve limescale. Next, add about 10 centimeters of toothpaste. Its gentle abrasive agents help remove deposits and stains. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of dish soap. Mix the ingredients well until a thick, uniform paste forms. Apply the prepared solution to surfaces with limescale and residue, ensuring full coverage. Let the product sit for a few minutes to dissolve the dirt. Then scrub the areas with a sponge, paying special attention to the most soiled spots. Finish by rinsing off the residue with water. After this treatment, all surfaces will shine with cleanliness, free from limescale and other dirt, or home. Put a straw in the drain in the sink. You'll be surprised how well this simple trick works. A regular straw turns out to be incredibly useful. For this trick, you'll need a plastic straw. You probably have one at home. You'll also need scissors. With the scissors, you'll make an extraordinary straw. You need to make cuts in several places. See how I do it. Don't cut the straw in half. Just make angled cuts. Make several of these cuts. 2 cuts close together are enough. If you cut out the small part between them, you'll create a sharp tooth. Just cut out a few of these teeth on one side of the straw, and then on the other side. Each cutout must have a sharp tip. See it again. This time I used smaller scissors. It's easier to cut out these small elements with them. Many people have problems with water drainage in the sink or shower. It gets blocked by hair falling in there. Not always do specialized liquids handle them well. But thanks to this trick, you won't have to call a plumber to unclog the drain. Just insert such a straw. Insert it as deeply as possible. If you have smaller openings in the sink, use a thinner straw. Just move it around for a while. All the hairs that were in the drain will get tangled in the straw. Just throw them away, and you're done. The drain will be like new. This trick will cut your cleaning time in half. In just a few seconds, you can make holes in a bottle cap. Place a cut balloon over the neck of the bottle like I did. Now, attach it to your faucet, and you're all set. A dirty, stationary faucet with a very grimy sink can be disgusting. But all you need is a balloon and the cap from your favorite drink to change that. Grab an empty bottle and cut off its neck. This is the part we'll be using. Now, using a sharp object like a pin or needle, poke small holes in the cap. You can make quite a few. Pick your favorite balloon color and cut it just below the middle, holding it by the neck. Place the larger opening of the balloon over the cut bottle neck. Then, take the balloon with the bottleneck part to your kitchen faucet. Stretch the other end of the balloon over the faucet. Now, cleaning your sink is much easier. Thanks to its flexibility, this little attachment ensures that water reaches all the nooks and crannies. Clean your sink without using chemicals. You only need ingredients that you already have in your kitchen. Sinks often accumulate stubborn residue and limescale, but this simple homemade method will make yours look brand new. The first ingredient is vinegar. It effectively dissolves limescale, grease, and bacteria. Pour it all over the sink to target every dirty spot. Next, take baking soda and sprinkle it generously over the surface. When combined with vinegar, it creates a chemical reaction that lifts dirt, neutralizes odors, and refreshes the sink. Let this mixture sit for about 15 minutes. Then rinse everything thoroughly with water, removing any foam and remaining residue. Your sink will shine, free from buildup and unpleasant smells. And the best part? No need for expensive store-bought cleaners. Vinegar and baking soda are a powerful duo that you should always have on hand. Coat the faucet with a candle. You'll have something to celebrate. Don't throw away any more small birthday candles. Use them in the bathroom. Just one candle will come in handy when dealing with a faucet problem. Every faucet sooner or later shows signs of water. Every drop leaves a trace. These white streaks and limescale appear even moments after cleaning the entire sink. They are particularly visible on metal components. The shower fixture quickly loses its shine. Instead of a gleaming shower head, you see one covered in white spots. It's water residue, but you can prevent this. All you need is one candle. It's best if it's light-colored. Rub the faucet with the candle and see what happens. The candle leaves a trail. That's the idea. Next time you clean the faucet, use the candle. Just rub the areas where water marks appear the most with the candle a few times. Then take a cloth and start polishing the faucet. This will spread the wax. What does this achieve? A layer of wax will remain on the faucet, preventing water residue from building up. The water will run off without leaving any traces. Every faucet will stay clean longer. You won't have to clean it as often. You'll save yourself time and nerves. And a clean faucet will be your calling card. Throw an egg into the sink. The results will surprise you. Everyday products can transform into something entirely different. It's a simple and inexpensive way to create a solution that will be useful in the kitchen. Take a bowl and crack an egg into it. Then, using a plastic bottle, separate the egg. The bottle will perfectly extract the yolk, which you can use for other purposes, as this trick only requires the egg white. Next, add a few tablespoons of dish soap to the bowl with the egg white. Mix it thoroughly until it forms a uniform solution. Pour it into the sink. This mixture is a clever use of natural chemical compounds that can work wonders. Wait a moment for the ingredients in the mixture to do their job. Then, watch as your sink gets effectively cleaned. This trick will help eliminate unpleasant odors and potential pests, while quickly cleaning up any residues. Save your sink with a balloon. This simple trick will save you time and money, and it will keep your faucet from needing replacement. All you need is one balloon to create a practical solution. First, take a plastic bottle and carefully cut off the end with a knife. You'll only need the cut-off part, so you can discard the rest of the bottle. Next, unscrew the cap and prepare a candle and a fork. Heat the fork over the candle flame. And once it's hot enough, use it to make small holes in the cap. Now screw the cap with the holes back onto the cut-off part of the bottle. Take a balloon and cut off its top about halfway. Put the balloon's cut end onto the prepared bottle piece. Once everything is set, attach it to the faucet. The water flowing through the holes in the cap will create a more diffused stream that reaches all corners of the sink. With this solution, your sink will be much easier to clean, and without the expensive faucet replacement, you can effectively rinse every corner of your sink and enjoy better functionality in your kitchen.